My name is Miho Shoji. I am the co-founder and CEO of Moodbit. We are a smart solution for employee engagement. Our technology and our service is so needed and so innovative that that over 200 SMEs and Fortune 500 companies are using our technology, and we are having a revenue an increase of 30% a month-over-month growth. Some of our users are big companies as NSC, NTT Docomo in Japan, LATAM Airlines in South America, and many other more. We are having an MRR, or we closed 2020 with a $53,000 of the last Q4 in 2020, and we are growing over 30%, as I said. And we're seeing this type of news every single day. Relationship between managers and employees are very tense, and COVID is to blame. But we are not seeing the end of working from home, because companies are putting this time of blended systems or work 100% remote working for now on. So we're facing a big problem, but employee disengagement didn't start because of COVID and because of working remotely. It's a $600 billion problem that are losing US companies every single year, leading to different types of other problems: more absentees, less productivity, and less profitability. And as I said, it didn't start because of COVID. Companies are trying to solve employee disengagement with an outdated, time-consuming, and very costly employee engagement survey. The problem, it is not just the tool. The problem is the results that are bringing, because employees really don't want to answer these engagement surveys anymore. And that's why we create Moodbit. We are using AI to understand data from the internal communication platforms, Slack, Microsoft Teams, email platforms, or database. And we can use our technology and our algorithms to understand and provide with insights in real time. For example, some of the insights that we have are employee engagement scores. We can understand how is it, if the employees have more positive or negative scores in an anonymous and integrated way. So we can see if the whole group and the whole department have which score in that moment. We are not asking anything from the employees. We can find who is an internal influencer and who are isolated employees, so we can get these two together and have a better productivity. We can compare between teams, but we also understand that providing with insights to the managers is not enough. We know that we can go directly to the employees with action plans that they can put in action every week. For example, meditation techniques, or how to manage stress and anxiety in these more difficult times. With Moodbit, some of the companies are having an increase of employee engagement in more than 35%. We're helping to retain the high performance and, of course, improving employee satisfaction. We are a SaaS company, are charging depending on the size of the company. We're working with small companies and with big enterprises. And I know that we are going to be the next unicorn of HR tech and analytics, because I have a great team. My co-founder and I have been working together for the past 10 years. This is our second company in the same industry. So we have a lot of experience and a lot of knowledge and network in the HR tech industry. My background is in people analytics and corporate communication. And Alfredo's background is, he has 15 years of experience as a full stack software engineer and machine learning engineer. And with us, we have great software engineers, data scientists, and IO psychologists that are working our product and our company. Also, we have great advisors from people that are working, leading machine learning at AWS, and people that have more than 10 years of experience in enterprise in the HR here in New York. We have an amazing corporate partnership with Accenture, Deloitte, Jetro, and Intel that have been helping to showcase Moodbit to their big clients. We have competition from Glean, Lattice, Worklick, or Culturam, but they are focused on employee engagement, but they are just using engagement surveys. We are using AI, and that's something that is very different from any other company. Our market is a huge 30 billion market on the well-being and productivity HR tech. And we have been winning and having awards from different types of organizations, since being selected top picks at TechCrunch Disrupt San Francisco 2019 to winning AWS Startup Day in the same year. And in 2020, we won Future of Work at Alberta Innovates and so many other awards. And we're backed by great accelerator programs from Expert Dojo, of course, Alchemist, Startup Chile, and Larry's Lab here in New York. We raised already 300K, and now we are opening our doors for a 1.5 seed round. We're going to be the next employee experience platform, not just employee engagement, but employee experience. So the employees and managers can work together, and we're going to change the reactive way of relationship from the managers to employees to a proactive way. So if you want to join me, please join me in the future of work. Thank you.